Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to change password on Facebook 2025. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open your Facebook application on your iOS device or Android device, or you can also use your Facebook web browser. So in this video, we're just going to use the Facebook application on my Android phone. So once you've opened the application and you're on your account now, so click on your profile at the top right of your screen. All right, now you have here the settings or the gear icon. So click on it. That's right. And here you just have to click on the account center under the your account option. That's right. So right here under the account settings, we have the password and security. So click on the password and security. And right here you have the change password option. So click on this one. Now I just have to choose an account to make changes. So I'm going to select my Facebook account. Once you've done, all you have to do here is you just have to input your current password and then just have to enter your new password and retype your new password to confirm. After that, you just have to click on the change password option at the bottom of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.